Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, in my last video, I was still telling you, Advocate Charles Mnisi was fed up and caught on the 23rd on Friday of May. He was fed up. And remember, I said to you guys many times that Urata comes off as always treating the defense in some type of way, thinking they are his boys. Obaba bemusic guys lab and admitted defense lawyers. Like when you think that these are just people who you can just trash just because you are a judge. Your rank allows you to have that kind of a power. No, that's not allowed. That's so uncalled for. That's so unnecessary. So how it started, Advocate Mnisi was reading and telling the court that what he needs in terms of AVL reports, how it goes on. He was just explaining this is what he's looking for. This is what he's been looking for. No, actually, for my facts. People must just leave me. Gazing is into this have nothing to do with anything in my life. And next. I'm here for accused number 1. Entry. So as he's reading, Urata interjects like he's always doing. And then Advocate Mnisi was very frustrated by that. Listen, when I'm trying to put out a point, can you just leave me to be, Because, Manje, you are treating me like a child. Actually, I'm not your child. Or your boy, for that matter. Actually, I'm this is now. I'm frustrated. No, please. We are around. Go back, guys, really, honestly. And Mnisi did, Upfunda la 40 to 60 pages was not a child's play. And then now we are figure small. Like I said, guys, there's 2 videos that I did this week where I was talking about Uguti Umnis. I feel like he's being gaslighted again by Ujastrat. Alright. Guys, that's not nice. It's not right. I have a right to be in court and be advocate to accused number 1 and help him and represent him. Why are you treating me differently from Ubalui? You understand my point, guys? It's not right. It's not nice to watch anyways. I decided to actually unamagraju. But I did say last week also he's up to something and he's just taking his time. There was a time where I did a video when they started, I think on the 20th, if I remember very well, where Umnisi was just like, you know what? Guys, even when they had a meeting on the 5th of May, why where to get off? I to Umnisi. You able on the lay to let me say to Lele. That's what Umnisi Uzumtol. And I did say it's funny how I did manifest it. I was just like, lo, it's not gonna end well between Nen and Orat. And now it happened yesterday on the 23rd. It didn't end well. Although Urata Uvelenjo disregarded and Leon. He disregarded it. He was just like, lo, as a judge, it's not even going to gel well with me. It's not gonna work. Judge Raza in life yake. Bese kushoda ukuthatha Umnisi and please stop walking all over me. Ngobaba umuzi mina, you're busy frustrating me and uyabona ukuthi ngifrustrated. This is a lot of work for me and I'm doing what I can and I'm doing my best. And now busy. You're treating me in some type of way. Please leave me alone. Like Ubalon. We were gonna go there, Bell. But ubusubona. Good, we headed that direction. After Umnisi emtsheli ukuthi are you treating me like a child? Please stop. Ukubona lo nto le. Urata continued like nothing happened in Jena. I just felt then, you know what, he's ignoring Umnisi and he doesn't care Urata about anyone. Urata made this whole situation about him. This is why Urata is a bit stuff that has nothing to do with anything. Besides uzobekhuluma viceroy in court nokuthi ene namsholelo stop screaming ucabanga ukuthi ene la esethaveni na phela mina ngiyawazi amathaveni asesowethu ngiyahamba, things like that, guys. How unprofessional is that? That's unprofessional. No one speaks like that to his juniors. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm a junior, but there's a certain way that you must actually speak to those juniors. And Judge Rata has been criticized I even had a video futhi about uJudge Ratha. I think 3 videos actually last year and this year ukuthi uJudge Ratha there's a call ukuthi akasuswe. But kube le nto ukuthi mawumsusa we gonna start all over again, like it's boring guys. Wahamba noShifu Mawumela naye usahamba ama hearing ovela phelele emoyeni hearing yakhe. We've never heard anything ngoba bathi bafeel ukuthi he's dragging this case brothers. This is why they took uRatha on bathi Ratha kubo wena oqhubekayo yabona. But naye uBrothers he talks about things that have nothing to do with anything. At some stage Ubalo was telling him, you know what, there's a guy that's gonna come on Monday now who's to testify and all of that. What how Ngege is gonna tell us about himself as telling him Maltabella. I was like, you know what, the Maltabella guys is even discontinued from the shops. I say when usakhuluma lezo zinto ukuthi uzobe sitshela ngaMaltabella guys isingena lezo zinto just like lo baba lo guys. No Ngege, he is a handful though uRatha, I must say. So I was still saying ukuthi he made the Meyiwa case about him. He is always telling us about his experience and how good he is. This is why, in fact, Judge President chose him. He's like one of the best. Guys, we know. And we don't mean, I for one, don't have a problem with Ratha as a person. I got. But you can't keep on rubbing that. Yes, it's exhausting. His experience now as a judge, and this has rubbed off on the defense as rude and unprofessional because Ratha doesn't know when to stop. He continued like nothing happened after Ms. Mchelut. Please don't treat me like a child. Now you can't be on top of me. Frustrated even more. Please stop. Nothing. Judge Ratha like nothing happened after Omnisi told him off. Ratha's behavior is not on par for a judge. Mr. Know-it-all. Thank you so much, guys. Over.